we don't want to cook this too much. Yeah. You want it with us, you know, simmer out a little bit. This is onion, white onion. And as you can see, the banana and dumpling them in a one pot.
There is no dumpling.
Oh, sorry, no dumpling. So now me I go add the bully beef now.
The bully beef.
Miss Ukamba.
You up there, idiot. Oh gosh, look like something wrong with the tray.
So now me add the bully beef, and as you can see, me crush it out so it don't be too thick. Me turn on the stove. Now me turn it back up now, cause the bully beef in the pot now, yeah. So now let me show you something now. See, me I make it simmer for a little bit, and now me I get the salt. No, sorry, no salt. The black pepper and the ketchup. Yeah. Black pepper and the ketchup, right? So now.
You don't put no pepper in yours?
Wait, pass it away.
The red pepper.
So now me I put the ketchup and I sprinkle some black pepper on it. Look, see? It said, huh? It said the spice mill. That it say, right? Alright. So now I sprinkle some of the a black for this? Okay, yeah.
What in the world?
So I sprinkle some of the black pepper in it.
Wait.
To give that a flavor. You see it? Hold on there. You see more? See pepper here? Now wash it off now. Yeah.
Cut it.
Now, see, look, now wash it. So now, I cut the pepper there. Wait, hold on.
I can't. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay, now something wrong with you for real.
Okay. See, it has simmered down now. Look there. Look. Follow my YouTube page. Yardie belly gonna foreign. Look there. Looks so good.
Okay.
Yeah, follow me on Twitter and Facebook at Yardie belly gonna foreign.
Alright.
Nah, tell no lie. That corned beef here when my brethren cook. The corned beef nice. Ah boy, my head hurt me.
Only this me again.
When I move your craving self. See, me get some tea, pear. Over here, so me have fried plantain. Back to the corned beef. I couldn't eat it last night because I got gym. But this morning before daylight, I forgot on it. It have a certain involvement of the eloquence. It just so
inaugurative.
It's very intelligent. See, a little bit him give me still not see a little ball, and then me have to share it cause some people craving, even though them not eat corned beef. And them depend health food in and thing. Watch ya. Watch them plate over here, so. Watch it. Look how the fuck shift up and down. Ah boy, God is good. Anyway, may wait for more cooking for Guan.
Shout out to Simone and Kino.
Yazid, big up. Yardie belly. A ramblings or what? Or something.